Is this yours?
Wow.
Let me see. I don't see a tag on it.
Już nie? No to widzimy.
Oh, this is Lisa's. Oh, okay. Hold on.
I'll give it to her.
Let her come in here, okay? I'm gonna start giving you all out. Okay. This is Anna's. You get someplace. Uh-oh, Zoe.
You okay?
Can we open it?
Are you sure?
Can we open it?
Let me.
She insisted of putting those high heels on.
Get in here now.
Okay. Hold on a minute. Let's give Zoe one.
And then we can open it.
Okay.
This one is ours.
Yeah,
you read it out?
let's pull out the
Huh?
Is this
Sit
one?
down there, Zoe.
family skeletons.
Is this one yours,
Okay, there's one for you from Lisa.
Let me see. Yeah, that's for
Okay.
Grandma.
This is.
Grandma, Santa got you something too.
Oh, that's Grandpa.
Grandma?
Yeah. This is Grandpa.
Oh, my bad.
Thank you.
Y'all shouldn't have done
A
that.
Bobby!
This is yours from Lisa.
Bobby!
You got Barbie. Great. Now we have 30 of them.
You get over there with yours, Anna.
She's wearing a pretty bathing suit. It's beach party Barbie.
Yeah.
This one's Zoe.
And I also got the color book.
Yeah. Okay, Zoe. Come get. Come.